Hi guys, in the previous video, I showed you how to update the basic details, how to add qualifications and experience, and how to request for subjects and curriculums on your profile. So today I am going to show you another crucial part, which is how to add free slots to your system. So you know that when your profile uh, is there on the marketplace, students or the parents, they can search your profile and they can go through the details that you have provided, what are the subjects and curriculums you teach, and what are your qualifications and how many years of teaching experience you have. After checking these basic details, they will check what are the available hours. So you can add availability uh, in the way that I am going to show you. First, after you log into your account, this is how it will see. Then you go to this icon on the top left corner next to the Tutopiya badge. Then you click on that. Then you can see schedule. You click on that. Then you can see today's date is highlighted in green and you can see this week. So this week is from 1st to 7th June. So you can go to the next weeks as well. So however, when you land on this page, it will show the current week and the date that you are in. So next, what you need to do is you need to click on set availability. When you click on that, this is how it will show. So you need to click, let's say that you are going to add slots on Sunday. So you click on Sunday, then you can see the slots are opening up 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So if you want to change this, you click on this clock icon, then you can select the timings that you are going to be available. So you have to add 1 hour slots. So if you add 10 a.m. here, manually you need to click it as 11 a.m. Then if you just keep it like this, it will show 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. that it will show to the customers that you are available from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Sunday. So if you want to add more slots on Sunday, you can click on this plus sign. Then you can see automatically it will select the slots from the next hour. So the first one you added was from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The next one is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So if you want to add one more slot from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., then you just need to go and click on this plus icon. So it will automatically give you the slot from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And if you want to delete any of these slots, you need to click on this uh, recycle bin icon. So then it will uh, take out the slot that you have added. And if you want to change it, you just need to click on this clock sign and you can select the time. And always make sure that you are selecting whether it's AM or PM. So when you update on the left side, it will not get automatically updated on the right side. So you have to update it manually as well. So let's say that you're not going to add any slot on Monday, so you can keep it as it is, but you are going to add on Tuesday. Again, you will see the first slot as 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can add in the way that you want, but always remember you need to add 1 hour slots. So let's say you are going to add one more on Saturday, and these are the slots that you are going to add. And at the end, don't forget to click save. So that is very crucial that you click the save button. If not, the changes you made will not be saved. So I click the save button. So you can see that this message popped up, user availability data updated. So after clicking the save button, you need to click on this cancel icon. So at the moment, you will not see the slots that you added. We are enabling that feature in the near future. Until then, after you added the slots, the schedule page will look blank like this, but don't worry about that. If you go to set availability, you can see here uh, what are the slots that you have already added. So that's about adding free slots onto your profile. Thank you.